Hello, I'm Jeremy, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make cloud dough. Alright, for the cloud dough, you're going to need some lotion. You're going to need cornstarch and food coloring, a bowl, measuring cups. So you'll need a half a cup and a full cup and something to stir with. For the lotion, you're going to need a half a cup of lotion. Alright, so there's the half a cup of lotion. But you want to put your food coloring in with your lotion first. Oh, I forgot to mention, you also will need some gloves and some wax paper or parchment paper. Now comes the cup of cornstarch. And hopefully I can get this to come out without making a huge mess. If it's too dry, you can add more lotion, and if it's too wet, you can add more cornstarch. Let's see if we can get it out of the bowl now, and we'll see if we can knead it some more on the parchment paper. But there you go, cloud dough. So it's Play-Doh that you don't need to cook anything with. So it's really nice, and it feels nice too. It's soft. All right, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you saw, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click the little bell notification to get notified every single time I post. Follow me on all of my social media that's listed right down below. And until next time, please don't forget to always be you. Bye.